Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janae and this is Janai's Kitchen. In today's video, I'll be sharing a recipe for multi-seed crackers. Let's get started. So this is going to be a perfect recipe for someone who likes chips or crackers but is in need of a healthier alternative like myself. It's so simple to make. It's a pretty versatile recipe. I'm going to break these up and have it with hummus. I'm just gonna take the cracker, dip it in my hummus here. So for these multi-seed crackers, I'm going to use flaxseed, sunflower seeds, and pepitas. You can change up all the seeds except for the flax seeds, guys, okay? So let's start off with 1 cup of flaxseed. So 1 cup here. Got a cup of hot water. It's a little under a cup. So I'm gonna go in with some boiling hot water. All right. I'm gonna use this rubber spatula to kind of mix the seeds until they become gooey. I'll let them rest for a minute and then I'll come back and stir them a little bit more. So I'm not quite done yet. A few more stirs. Okay, I'm gonna give it a little bit more time. Okay, so then I'm gonna go in next with some of these pumpkin seeds here. I will put in measurements in the description box. And then I'm gonna do the same thing with my sunflower seeds. I'm just gonna do 2 handfuls. Now these are already, I'll do a little bit more. These are already salted, so I'm not going to add any salt to these. And you don't have to add any seasonings at all if you would prefer not to. But I'm just gonna use my little simple seasoning here. It's just a mixture of things that it's a season blend, just different things that I like to use on a regular basis. I toss them all in this glass jar and I use them to make my cooking process just a little bit easier. Okay, so that should be enough. I'm not gonna put too much. Okay, so I'm gonna continue to stir until they are well combined. Let's move this out of the way. Okay, so now I have already preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Next, I'm going to use some parchment paper just to make it easier and to prevent it from sticking to my baking sheet here. I'm going to add a little bit of olive oil. Just a little bit. I'll spread it out to coat the parchment paper. So from here, I'll take the mixture, place it on the parchment paper, and then I'm just going to use my spatula here to spread it out evenly. Let me just make sure I'm in frame. I had to use my phone today. I am a one-woman show. I'm trying to make sure the quality of the content is good. It's hit or miss sometimes, but okay. So now I have this spread out nice and evenly on the pan. You don't want it to be too thick and you don't want it to be too thin. I'm just gonna hit it with a little bit more olive oil, just a little bit, to make sure that it gets nice and golden brown. All right, guys, so I'm gonna place this in the oven now for about 25 minutes. I'll check it at the 20-minute mark just to make sure it's not burning. Okay, so I'm gonna break these up and have them with some hummus. They are crispy and delicious. I'm gonna store these right in this container. They'll last probably for about a week and a half maybe. I'll just leave them right on my countertop and I'll be able to enjoy them throughout the week. If you're not a fan of nuts or if you have a nut allergy, but you're looking to find some healthier alternatives to chips as well, you can check out these videos right here. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe as that really helps out the channel. Also, you can connect with me in a few ways. You can just simply leave me a comment, you can head over to the community area, or you can send me an email at janaiskitchen@gmail.com. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.